All right, so if you look through the previous slides right before this one, you'll see that it tells you how they get this formula, okay? And so they're showing you step by step how it comes up to be. But we find that if we're looking for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, we can use this equation right here. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Remember, d is your common difference between consecutive terms, and a sub 1 is your first term. And remember, the n is the term number that you are looking for there. All right, and we do that because we start with our first term. So since we know that, example 2 here says to find a formula for the nth term of the arithmetic sequence whose common difference is 11 and whose first term is 4. All right, so now I'm just looking for the formula for the nth term, so I'm not going to actually come out with a number answer. So if I'm looking for the nth term, I know my general formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the difference. Well, we don't know what n is because it's the nth term, so you're going to leave n as n. So we have a sub n is equal to, now we know the first term is 4, so I'm going to replace it, plus, again, we don't know n, so leave it as n, minus 1 times your common difference, you know, is 11. Now, I'm fine with you leaving it like that. Now, there are other options. You could also go ahead and say, well, you know what, n minus 1 times 11, I can switch that because 11 is by itself. So we could write it as 4 plus 11 times n minus 1. Or you could go ahead and distribute it if you wanted to. So I would take this one. I would also take this one. Now, if you distribute the 11, you get this here. But this, you've got work to do, so don't leave it there. So then you could keep going and say, oh, okay, well, then I get 11n minus 7 when you combine your like terms. I would take that one as well. Either of those three that I have starred there would be acceptable for this problem.